Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about the top interview questions for Snowflake SnowPro Core. So let's get started. Question number 1, what exactly do you mean when you say Snowflake computing? Your answer is, Snowflake computing refers to Snowflake's capacity to deliver immediate, secure, and controlled access to all data networks, as well as its fundamental architecture, which supports a variety of data workloads and provides an uniform platform for modern data applications. Snowflake does not employ a database or a big data software platform like Hadoop, unlike other data warehouses. Snowflake, on the other hand, combines a completely new SQL query engine with a cloud-native architecture. Question number 2, Snowflake currently supports which cloud platforms? Your answer is, the following cloud platforms are currently supported by Snowflake. 1. Amazon Web Services. 2. Google Cloud Platform. 3. Microsoft Azure. Question number 3, how is data and information protected? Your answer is, data security is one of the top responsibilities for every firm. To secure and safeguard customer data, the Snowflake platform adheres to the industry's top security standards. At no additional cost, the platform provides the best key management features. Snowflake uses the following security procedures to secure customer data. 1. Snowflake uses a managed key to automatically encrypt the data it holds. 2. To enhance data security between consumers and servers, Snowflake uses transport layer security. 3. You can choose a geographic area to store your data based on your cloud region. Question number 4, is Snowflake a tool for extracting, transforming, and loading data? Your answer is, Snowflake is classified as an extract, transform, and load tool since it involves 3 steps. 1. The information is extracted from the source and saved in a variety of file formats, including JSON, CSV, XML, and others. 2. Loads data into a stage, which can be internal, Snowflake-maintained location, or external, not managed by Snowflake, Microsoft Azure, Amazon S3 bucket, Google Cloud. 3. To copy data into the Snowflake database, use the copy into command. Question number 5, what does it mean to scale horizontally and vertically? Your answer is, horizontal growing. By scaling horizontally, horizontal scaling enhances concurrency. You can utilize auto-scaling to increase the number of virtual warehouses as your customer base grows, allowing you to answer to more queries quickly. Vertical scaling is the process of boosting the processing power of an existing computer. It usually entails scaling in order to reduce processing time. If you want to optimize your workload and make it run faster, go with a larger virtual warehouse size. Question number 6, what kind of database is Snowflake? Your answer is, all of Snowflake's features are based on SQL databases, structured query language. Data is saved in columns in this relational database system, which is interoperable with other programs like Excel and Tableau. Snowflake is a SQL database that includes a query tool, enables multi-statement transactions, and has role-based security, among other features. Question number 7, explain Snowflake clustering in a few words. Your answer is, clustering is a method of data partitioning in Snowflake that specifies unique cluster keys for each table. Cluster keys are subsets of a table's columns that are used to group data in the table together. These keys are excellent for tables with a lot of information. Reclustering is the process of managing clustered data in a table. Question number 8, what is the data retention period? Your answer is, Snowflake time travel relies heavily on the data retention time. Snowflake preserves the state of data before it was updated when data in a table is modified, such as when data is deleted or objects containing data are removed. Data retention determines how long past data will be kept in order to conduct time travel operations, select, create, clone, undrop, and so on. The default retention duration for all Snowflake accounts is 1 day, 24 hours. The default data retention duration for standard purposes is 1 day, whereas it ranges from 0 to 90 days for enterprise editions and higher accounts. Question number 9, describe the term failsafe. Your answer is, as a failsafe feature, Snowflake provides a default 7-day timeframe during which previous data can be retrieved. The failsafe default term begins once the time travel data retention period has expired. Data recovery via failsafe is done with the best of intentions, and only after all other methods have been explored. It could be used by Snowflake to recover data that has been lost, or destroyed as a result of severe operational failures. Failsafe data recovery might take anywhere from a few hours to many days. Question number 10. Is it possible to connect AWS Glue to Snowflake? Your answer is yes, you may use AWS Glue to connect the Snowflake. As a data warehouse service, AWS Glue integrates smoothly with Snowflake and provides a fully managed environment. Data intake and transformation become easier and more versatile when these two systems are combined. Question number 11. What do you mean by zero-copy cloning? Your answer is one of Snowflake's best characteristics is zero-copy cloning. It essentially allows you to duplicate an object without creating a physical copy or incurring additional storage costs. When a clone is formed, a snapshot of the data in the source object is captured and made available to it. Cloned objects are readable because they are independent of the source object, and any changes made to one do not affect the other. You can use the clone keyword to clone tables, schemas, and databases without copying any data. Question number 12. What do you mean when you say data sharing? Your answer is Snowflake data sharing allows enterprises to communicate data between Snowflake accounts rapidly and securely. Database objects shared between Snowflake accounts can only be viewed, they cannot be edited or modified. The following are the 3 types of sharing. 1. Information sharing among management units. 2. Data exchange between departments. 3. Data sharing among physically separated places. Question number 13. What exactly is a snowflake? Your answer is Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse platform developed on top of AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud infrastructures to provide businesses with flexible, scalable storage options as well as hosting BI, business intelligence, solutions. It acts as a centralized platform for data management, data lakes, data engineering, data application development, data science, and safe real-time and shared data sharing and consumption. Snowflake changed the data warehousing market by providing a centralized approach for consolidating all data. You can simplify data warehouse management with Snowflake without compromising capabilities. Question number 14. Write the kind of Snowflake caching and explain it. Your answer is take the case of a query that takes 15 minutes to perform or execute. Now, if you ran the same query again with the same commonly used data, you'd be repeating the same effort and wasting resources. Alternatively, Snowflake caches, stores, the results of each query you run, so whenever you submit a new query, it checks to see if a matching query already exists, and if it does, it uses the cached results instead of running the new query again. Query speeds are substantially decreased thanks to Snowflake's ability to retrieve results directly from the cache. Snowflake's caching types. 1. Caching of query results. It saves the results of all queries run in the previous 24 hours. 2. Local disk caching is a technique for storing data that is utilized or required when running SQL queries. It's also known as remote disk cache since it saves results for later use. Question number 15. Explain how Snowflake's data compression works and what the benefits are. Your answer is the encoding, restructuring, or other alterations required to reduce the size of data are an important part of data compression. Data is systematically compacted as soon as it is entered into Snowflake. Modern data compression technologies are used to compress and store the data in Snowflake. Snowflake is unique in that it charges users based on the size of their data after compression, rather than the actual data. The following are some of the benefits of Snowflake compression. 1. When compared to traditional cloud storage, compression reduces storage expenses. 2. Storage expenses are not incurred by on-disk caches. 3. In general, there are no storage costs associated with data sharing and cloning. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.